Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Shiny and welcome to another Amazon beauty haul. This time I have got bunch of skincare and hair care products from Amazon, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. By the way, I have made so many haul videos, so many Amazon haul videos, so if you are interested in case, then the links are in my description box, so don't forget to check them out after you're done watching this video. And do let me know in the comment section down below if you are interested to watch my current skincare routine, because I have recently started using so many new products and I am just loving how my skin is reacting to it. I am loving the results, so I would love to share it with you guys also, so do let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, with saying all this, now let's get started with today's video. But before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there. And yeah, now let's get started with today's video. By the way, as usual, I have linked all the products in my description box individually. Also, I have created my haul store link. If you don't know what's that, then let me explain. There is a link in my description box, a single link. By clicking on that particular link, you will be able to see all the products which I will be sharing in this video together. So yeah, don't forget to check out the description box. So the very first thing I have got is this honey black sugar scrub from the Face Shop. I have heard so many good things about this product, so I wanted to try out this product from so long, but it was a bit costly for me. But I am so glad that I finally got this and tried it, and now I understand why everybody is talking about this product and why it's everyone's favorite. So this is the texture of the product. I don't know if it's real sugar or not, but it definitely looks and feels like that. It looks super sticky and thick, but after massaging it onto your skin, the sugar slowly melts and sprays very easily, so you don't need much amount of this product. So first cleanse your face with water, then pat dry, and then gently massage your face with the scrub in a circular motion. Concentrate on your chin, your nose and your forehead area, and then wash it off and pat dry your face. I have combination skin, but winter May my skin feels super dry and it does not dry out your skin, definitely exfoliates your skin, cleans the pores deeply and removes dead skin cells, leaves your skin super soft and smooth. This is suitable for normal to dry skin, but I think according to me, if you have oily skin or combination skin, you can still use this product. I am totally obsessed with this scrub. Give this a try and then you will understand why people are obsessed with this. The price of this one is 990 rupees. I know it's a bit costly, but I swear it's worth every penny. And this one pack will last you so long because you only need a little bit amount of it every single time you use it. The next product I have got is this vitamin C serum from the Derma Co, and as you can see, I have already used it more than half. I use this product on a daily basis. It has this water-like texture, very lightweight and absorbs onto your skin so perfectly. Taking a few drops of the product with the dropper and applying it on my face and massaging it gently, it helps removing pigmentation, hydrates and makes your skin super healthy, plumpy and radiant. Love the product, loving the results so far. Definitely add this to your skincare routine, your daily skincare routine, and the price of this one was 313 rupees. The next thing I have got is this Vadi Herbals under eye cream. I have heard this is the most affordable under eye cream, and Mridul Sharma also recommended this product in one of our skincare routine videos, so I thought of trying it. As you can see, I have so much pigmentation under my eyes and the corners of my eyes, and this particular product helps removing pigmentation. It soothes and brightens your under eyes. The price of this one was only 116 rupees. Definitely give this a try if you are looking for an affordable under eye cream. Then I have got this Laneige lip sleeping mask. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Anyway, again, this is a product that I wanted to try from so long, as I have heard so many good things about this product. Every YouTubers, every vloggers are talking about this product. It was a bit costly for me, so I was not able to buy it, but I finally got this one. It's a little bit costly, but again, it's worth every penny. It's just the best lip balm or lip mask, whatever you wanna call it. It's so creamy and hydrates and moisturize your lips so well. Also love the smell. I have really dry lips, so I always keep a lip balm with me no matter I am home or I am outside. I just keep applying lip balm in every 2 to 3 hours, I swear. But this is like the best. I apply it on the night while I go to sleep and सुबह उठ के भी ये रह जाती है, which I absolutely love. And winter भी आने वाली है, so winter पे this is going to be my savior. I am so glad that I finally got this, and the price of this one was 500 rupees for 8 grams. I know this sounds so much costly, but you are going to need a little bit amount. I can assure this 8-gram product will last you so long. Okay, the next thing I have got is this Vaseline Coco Glow Body Lotion, and this is my all-time favorite. No matter how many body lotion or body butters I try, I always have to have this body lotion. The consistency of this product is so freaking good, so perfect for my skin, because I have really dry skin when it comes to my body skin, and it's not super thick, not super thin. It has this creamy texture, so it absorbs onto your skin so well, spreads onto your skin so well, and moisturizes your skin so perfectly. Perfect for winters, and not to mention the smell is so freaking tasty. It feels like heaven. The price of this one is 279 rupees, which is so affordable. Then I have got these two products, the L'Oreal's Dream Length Shampoo and No Haircut Cream Conditioner. By the way, this is a leave-in cream. After applying, you can leave it as it is and dry your hair, or you can normally wash it off with water. It's a new launch from L'Oreal, so I thought of trying this, and it claims to protect your last 3 centimeters of your hair, which is basically to protect your hair from split ends and damage of the tips of your hair. I have used this products 2 times, so I can't actually tell you guys if it's really helps preventing your damage or split ends of your hair, but it does smoothens and softens your hair. So I will continue using these products and share my reviews in one of my future videos maybe. The price of the shampoo is 141 rupees and the price of this one is 449 rupees. And lastly, I have got this Livon serum. I use this serum from like years. I have really frizzy hair, and after washing my hair, it looks and feels really frizzy and unmanageable. So I just apply it on my damp hair. It makes my frizzy hair softer, and it controls freezes and also works as a heat protectant. The price of this one was 250 rupees. Definitely check out all the products. The links are in my description box, and individual links as well as my hostel link. And yeah, that was all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there. Comment down below and share this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.